Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad DafaHuzaifah. I'm from class IPS from Madrasah Aliyah Istiqlal. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some noodles. It's Noodle Chicken Special. That's it. Noodle chicken flavor. The Noodle Chicken Special flavor is a new and my favorite too, with some flavor with onion oil. That's why I like it tasted right. Very tasty and very good. Now I'm gonna show you our main ingredients. Today we have our ingredients is 2 Indomie Noodle Chicken Special with some inside a seasoning and chili flakes, and the tools to a scissor and knife, and a red chili and red onion, and some pan. Well, let's begin, shall we? First, pour a water into the pan. Then turn on the fire on the stove. Now wait the water until it's boiling. Now we got some chili on. Sorry, because then the red chili are bigger. Sorry, make it very spicy. Sorry, I repeat, it make it a very big spicy. It will burn my tongue. Yeah, then peel some red onion and cut. And put on the bowl. Well, it makes got the peeling the onions. It makes me cry. Well, put some seasoning and a chili flakes on the bowl. And some oil onion too. And wow, would you look at that? After the water is still boiling, put some noodles on the pan. Be careful, it's gonna be hot. Wait until it's still cooking before every minute ago. Oh, look at that! The noodles still are cooking. Well, after noodles cooking, put on the fire and stove. And put some noodles for cooking on the bowl. Some batter. Sorry, let's do a mistake. Add some fork and pour water on the bowl. And stir it until the completely mix it. This is gonna be very delicious, but add some chili will begin being spicy. Okay, here we are. The Noodle Chicken Special Indomie already to serve. Sorry, my mouth is still. I hope everybody tastes like it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma merekam. Have a taste. Bismillah. Delicious. That is the best noodle ever I have tasted. I hope I can make it again, but only one day. Well, thank you for watching. Make some Indomie Noodle Chicken Special. I'm sorry for being mistaken, but I hope you can like it. Please subscribe and comment and turn on the notification. Enjoy the watching video. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.